In this video, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, I'm going to show you how to customize your lock screen display on your Windows PC in a simple settings. Let me show you how. Come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on Start menu and then proceed to Settings icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Personalization right here. So here we go. Then scroll down right here until you get to Lock Screen right here. Click on Lock Screen. And then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here, you have personalize your lock screen right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on Window Spotlight right here and select Picture. Then here you have different lock screen that you can choose right here. These are recently image right here. And at the same time, you can use personal image as the case may be. If you want to have a customized personal lock screen image, go ahead and click on Browse Photo. So once you click on Browse Photo, you can get the photo from your desktop or download folder or any folder you have the image. So all you have to do is to select the image you want to use and then click on Choose Photo. Once you click on Choose Photo, make sure this is checked and then you are done. It's going to be reflected in your lock screen. However, you can choose some of the recent image right here like this. If you choose this one right here, it's going to be replace the previous one. If you choose this one right here, it's going to be replace the previous one. You can choose this one as the case may be. You can go now on and choose different display in your lock screen on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.